Hi, welcome to MA 207 course, differential equations. We are talking about, in this video, we are talking about legendary equation. Okay. Uh, this differential equation is known as legendary equation minus 1 minus x square into second derivative of y minus 2x first derivative plus p into p plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Here p denotes a fixed real number. Okay. And if we solve this equation using the above power series method, we will get this relation, recursive relation. Okay, here if we substitute n is equal to 0, we will get a2 in terms of a naught. So we can find all the even numbers in terms of a naught. And if we club all these even terms, then we will get y1. Let's define it as y1. Okay, if we club all odd functions, then it will be y2. Okay, uh, y of x is equal to a naught into this even function plus a1 into odd function. Okay, this is the legendary equation, legendary function. Okay, if you substitute p is equal to m, okay, then here if you substitute p is equal to some m, if it is odd, okay, if it is even or it is negative odd, then this will be infinite series and this will be finite polynomial. Okay, if it is odd or negative even, then this will be finite and this will be infinite series. Okay, we will uh, we will consider only finite polynomials. Okay, and we will find the coefficient by equating a p of x, p of at x is equal to 1 is 1, and we can find the legendary polynomials. Okay, by using the formula. Okay, and we will discuss the significance of this legendary equation. Okay, the inner product of the polynomial is defined like this, and norm of the polynomial is defined like this. Okay, integral of f of x g of x dx from -1 to 1. Okay, and by using the this inner product, we can define like this: if f of 1 g of 1 is equal to f of -1 g of -1, we will get derivative transfer from one function to another function. We will get a negative sign before. Okay, by using the above formulas, we can find the value of inner product of two legendary polynomials. Okay, that is 0 if m and n are not equal. Okay, if they are equal, we will get this value. Okay, uh, uh, we also get this formula. We can find simply the legendary polynomial by using this formula. Okay, 1 by 2 power n factorial. This is nth derivative of x square minus 1 whole power n. Okay, Pn is an orthogonal basis, because here if two m and n are not equal, then it is coming to be 0, so it is called orthogonal basis. Okay, we can any polynomial fx we can define like it's a linear product of legendary polynomials, and we can find the coefficient of the legendary polynomials by using this formula. Okay, the derivation is here. Okay, square integrable definition is if -1 to 1 integral is finite, then it is called square integrable, and these polynomials and continuous functions and piecewise continuous functions are generally square integrable. Okay, we can expand any square integrable function on -1 to 1 in a series of legendary polynomials. This is one theorem, and in equation form it looks like this, and we can find Cn by using this formula. Okay, this series is known as Fourier legendary series, or simply legendary series. Okay, here this is minimum as n m tends to infinity. Okay, legendary expansion theorem: if it is if fx and f dash of x is finite jump discontinuous, then we will get like this: the series converge this series converge to here if this is a jump discontinuity, and this series, the legendary series, converge to the average of these 2 points. Okay. Okay. For example, we'll take this function and we'll find the legendary series of this function. Okay. This is the legendary series. Okay. We can find coefficients by using this formula. For all even terms, we will get 0. Okay. And C1 is 3 by 2 and C3 is minus 7 by 2. We will solve by using this integral. Okay, by using the above formula, we will get legendary series of fx as it goes on for all odd terms. Okay, and we have an approximation, least square approximation. We want to find a polynomial p of x which degree is less than n, such that this L is minimum. Okay, we are taking the difference and squaring it, and we are taking the integral. This should be minimum. So we can find the value of px like this. It's the legendary series taking n terms, first n terms. Okay, n plus 1 terms. We can find the coefficient by using this formula. Thank you.